Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset to recovery mode on Honor 300 Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device.
For that, you need to connect to a Wi-Fi network or install a SIM card.
And now once your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button once you see your logo on your screen. And you are now in recovery mode, and here you have to use volume buttons to navigate and power button to select. So now move to clear data and press power button, and then move to factory reset and press power button again. Now you have to type in yes. And now move to factory reset and press power button. And now you can move to back and press power button, and then move to restart and press power button again. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.